Come with me as I create this relaxing gel pedicure while trying out MelodySusie's cordless nail lamp. I'll share a few features I really enjoy along the way. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Kay, a licensed nail technician and now a nail educator. I share a nail tutorial, education, and product recommendation to help you through your nail journey. Guys, I am all done. I am in a bliss right now. I will share more about my journey with you all. I just can't wait for all the things that's to come. In today's video, we're doing a gel pedicure while putting MelodySusie's cordless nail lamp to the test. Here I'm using my tungsten removal bit to remove her previous polish. I want to say this pedicure was done 3 to 4 months ago, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the polish is crumbling because her nails have grown out and they've been bending in her shoes. She has bubbles on the free edge of her nail. So using the e-file, I have to lightly remove the polish because I don't want to cause any damage to her nail plate. Once all the polish is removed, I'll be going in with my metal cuticle pusher to gently push her cuticles back just to expose the existing dead skin that's on her nail plate. Now I will be using my fine flame bit to remove the visible dead skin, and I'm using my e-file between 15 to 20,000 RPMs at a time. If you are not comfortable doing this, you could go ahead and use it between 8 to 10,000 RPMs at a time, but using it at a higher speed, I find that I'm more comfortable and the dead skin comes off much easier for me. Now, I also like to do a dry pedicure before going in for a full soak. Once I remove all the dead skin from the nail plate, exfoliate the cuticles, I'll go straight into clipping her toenails. And I'm using my flame bit in both a reverse and a forward direction. Doing this ensures that I'm taking all the dead skin off her nail plate without filing her natural nails. I like to also go in with cuticle oil, exfoliate the entire nail plate, and then apply cuticle softener to soak while I'm prepping the opposite foot, and it just makes exfoliating the bottom of the feet much easier. I don't use callus remover too often, and if I do, it's once in a while. My clients usually come in every other month for a pedicure. When she comes back, she'll be getting a polish change, and then the following appointment she'll do a pedicure. And then they do a fairly good job with upkeep by exfoliating, applying a thick heavy cream at night to keep hydration on the feet. And if you trouble with thicker callus buildup on the bottom of your feet, Uric cream is really good. Using that will soften that dead skin and keep it nice and hydrated. Now I'm going in the opposite direction. It's flaking off much easier. I could see the full length and size of her pinky toe. Let me tell you, my pinky toe does not look like this. I wish I had a full pinky toe, you guys. I be pushing my cuticles back to create what she has right here. And I know I'm not the only one. Once I am done going in the opposite direction, I'll go straight in with my cuticle ball bit to exfoliate the dead skin around her cuticle, and then we'll move on. So guys, whenever I'm using my pedicure disc to do pedicures, I am focusing only on the areas where we apply most of our body weight on. So that's usually our heel, ball of our feet, and our toes. So once I go to our toes, I reduce my feet from 20 to 30,000 RPMs all the way down to 5,000 RPMs. Now all my e-files are from Melody Susie. I have two of the same e-files for my pedicure specifically. So I exfoliate our feet using my La Palm hot oil sugar scrub. So here I'm going to brush just to brush the rest of the scrub off her feet. Once I am done with this, I like to rinse their feet off with fresh water. Straight out of the bowl, I go straight in with alcohol to sanitize and close their pores up. Then I'll go in with paper towel to dry their feet. I rather do this than use a towel. Keeps the lint away and bacteria. And she did want classic French on her toes. They turned out really nice. Melody Susie sent me over their new cordless nail lamp to try out, and guys, I've been loving it. It has a removable metal base, which makes curing during a pedicure so easy. And because of how wide it is on the inside, I don't have to worry about my clients accidentally bumping their toes once their feet are in. Another feature I've been enjoying is the long battery life. I haven't had to charge it again since I charged it when I first received it. I am absolutely adding two to my manicure station. The fact that I don't have to worry about it getting caught on my pedicure cart or dangling under my pedicure station is enough reason for me to go ahead and purchase two more of these lamps. So thanks Melody Susie for sending me this lamp. If you are looking for a budget friendly lamp, definitely check this lamp out. Here I'm going in with my base coat, and I did just see a little bit of dead skin on the side of her toe. This toe was really impacted with dead skin, and I didn't want to cause any irritation, so I did as much as I can, and then if I see any flyaways, I can always go ahead and nip it away. So I'm applying my base coat. she will cure for 60 seconds, and then we'll go straight in with my D&D Cover Nude in 884, and I will be using the Melody Susie white I received in the scented gel polishes. I've been using that white non-stop. Looking back at the video, I am just so impressed with this lamp. I love how white it is. Being able to just lift it up and put it over the feet and not having to worry about it being too short in the back, bumping the nail, is just everything. Here I forgot to apply her toe spacers, so I quickly put them on, and then I went back to polishing her toes with my cover color. I did 2 coats of the floral feels, and then I went in with the Frenchies. Let me know in the comment section, what do you like about doing pedicures? If you do like doing them, or if you don't, what's stopping you? What fear do you have with touching feet? There's gonna come a time in my career where I will only offer pedicures. I really do enjoy them, especially when I'm doing my older clients. My older clients that I enjoy servicing are between 87 and 97, and there's still look on their faces every time I do their pedicures. It means a lot. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what's holding you back from offering pedicure services, or what you enjoy about offering pedicure services. Here I'm applying her top coat. Will cure for 60 seconds. Then I'll go in with a light leg massage, and that will finish off her pedicure service. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to check this lamp out, I'll leave everything linked in my description bar below, along with my discount code, which is a K to save 12% off, and the direct link to this budget-friendly removable metal base, fast curing, and long battery life nail lamp. And thanks again to Melody Susie for sending me over this lovely nail lamp. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.